Hey! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access Settings. Now click on Connected Devices, choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait. If you want to continue, you need to choose Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you need to choose this gear icon next to chosen device, tap on Forget and confirm your choice in this pop-up. If you wish to connect to it again, you need to choose Pair New Device, click on it and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!